Want to turn your Instagram into a lead-generating machine that works for you 24/7? We're diving into a step-by-step guide on setting up Manychat on Instagram so you can automate your messages and boost your marketing. First, head over to Manychat and create a free account. Once logged in, click on the Connect Instagram button. It's usually prominently displayed on the dashboard. You'll be redirected to Facebook to authorize Manychat to access your Instagram business account. Make sure you are logged into the correct Facebook profile that is linked to your Instagram business account. Select Continue as your name. Now, you'll see a list of Facebook pages. Select the Facebook page that is linked to your Instagram business account. This is crucial for Manychat to connect properly. Time to create your first automation. Navigate to the automation section, and then to flows. Start with the default welcome message. This is the message that will automatically be sent to new followers or anyone who messages you. Click on the text box in the welcome message and personalize your greeting. Ask a question to encourage engagement. For example, "Hey, thanks for following. What are you interested in learning about?" Next, set up keyword triggers. Go to keywords and add keywords that your audience might use. For example, if someone types discount, you can automatically trigger a flow that sends them a coupon code. Don't forget to set up story reply automations. This allows you to respond to specific words or emojis people use when replying to your stories. This is a fantastic way to engage with your audience directly. Finally, monitor your results using Manychat's analytics. Track your subscriber growth, message open rates, and click-through rates to optimize your automations and improve your marketing efforts. That's it. You've successfully set up Manychat on Instagram. Start engaging with your followers and watch your marketing efforts soar. Don't forget to subscribe for more marketing tips and tricks. See you in the next video.